Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Stacys Kitchen. Now today I'm going to be showing you a simple way of preparing your salmon and how to cook it my way. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get into it. Okay, so now I have my pink pretty salmon ready to be seasoned. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over. I'm going to be using a all-purpose season. Once again, when you're using this, be careful because there's already salt in it if you're going to be using your regular salt. Then I have some season oil. Sprinkle this bad boy all over it. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and give it some black pepper. Alright, then we're gonna add the regular salt. Not too much, but just to give it enough taste. Alright, so now we're gonna use our clean hands and we're gonna rub this season in. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Just gonna rub that season in. Okay, so now that we have all this season, we're gonna go ahead and place it into the dish that we're going to bake it in. Now before I place the fish in, I'm going to put some onions in the bottom. Open my onion then. Alright, so and then we're gonna put some sweet pepper, and in the sweet pepper I have a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and lay our salmon. On top of it. Yes. We could take up some from the top and just put it. If it's too much in the bottom, just throw some on top. Okay. Alright, so now that we have that in there, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some butter. And I'm just gonna put it to the side. So when it go in the oven, it just melts away in there. Alright, so now we're going to put this in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Remember, salmon is very easy to cook. You don't want to overcook this. So if you overcook it, basically you ruin your dish. So 20 minutes, we're going to put this in the oven for at 375. Okay? Alright. When it is done, I'll come back and I'll show you the finishing touch. This is very easy dish to do if you know you come home from work and you're in a rush to go somewhere else. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just a very easy dish to prepare. Alright? Hey y'all, what's up? Now I'm back. My fish is finished. My salmon. Doesn't it look pretty? It is done the right way. It is not overcooked and it's not undercooked. It is just perfect. Remember when I said that if you see like white stuff coming out of it, then it's overcooked? Well, mine is not. So here I have my salmon and I have my veggie on the side. So now I'm going to dig in and taste this because I've been dying. See how flaky that is? It's just dropped off the bone. The bone, I mean, you know what I mean. It is moist. It's flaky. It is seasoned to perfection. It is so good. I'm not gonna waste my time talking because I want to go and kill this real quick. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, bye. God, this is so good.